What's something people don't know about strategic regional alliances? They're the backbone of progress and connectivity. Today, President Mnangagwa departed for Maputo, Mozambique to meet with President Filipe Nyusi and President Mogwitsi Masisi. The agenda: signing a monumental tripartite agreement on the Teco-Benin deep water port. This ambitious $6.5 billion project includes the construction of a deep water port in Matutuin district and a 1,700 kilometers railway line linking Mozambique, Zimbabwe, and Botswana. With its central location, Zimbabwe aims to transform into a pivotal transport hub for the entire southern African region. Despite discussions since 2011, progress has been hindered by funding challenges, until now. Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga and other top officials saw off President Mnangagwa at Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport this morning. Deputy Chief Secretary George Charamba emphasized the project's significance, highlighting its potential to spur economic growth and regional connectivity. Stay tuned as history unfolds. This agreement marks a new era of collaboration and development in southern Africa.